Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today I will be solving problem number 2.19 of Beer and Johnson. So this problem states that two structural members A and B are bolted to a bracket as shown. So this is a bracket and two structural members are bolted to the bracket and they are given the name A and B. Knowing that both the members are in compression and that the force is 10 kilonewton in member A and 15 kilonewton in member B, determine by trigonometry the magnitude and direction of the resultant of the forces applied to the bracket by members A and B. So first we will use triangle law of vector addition. So we know the angles and also we know the forces. We have to calculate magnitude and direction of the resultant. Okay, so we can see we have two forces, this force and this force, and they are both in compression. One force is like this, one force is like this, and they both are in compression. So we can make a free um, um, a triangle like this. This is A vector, and this is B vector. B vector is like this. Now we know that this A vector is acting at an angle 40 degrees. So this is 40 degrees. So this would be 40 degrees. This angle would also be 40 degrees. And B is acting at an angle of 20 degrees. So we extend this vector this like this. So this is 20 degrees. This is 20 degree, and so this would be 20 degree, and this would be 40 plus 20 is 60. 180 minus 60 is 120. So this is 120 degree, and we have the resultant vector. Let me just rub this down. This R vector is here. This is A vector. This is B vector. A vector we are given 10 kilonewton. B vector we are given 15 kilonewton. So I can write A vector is equal to 10 kilonewton. B kilonewton, 15 kilonewton. So that's it. Now we can easily calculate by using sine rule and cosine rule. First we will use cosine rule. R vector equals to root under of 10 square, 15 square, 10 square plus 15 square plus 2 times 10 15, sorry, minus 2 times 10 15, and the angle between the vectors, and between the vector 120 degree. 120 degree. So if we work this out, it will come as 21.79 kilonewton. 21.79 kilonewton. Now we have to calculate uh, this angle. Let's just take it as alpha. So we have r by sine 120 degree, sine rule. R by sine 120 degree equals 15 by sine alpha. R we already know. Sine alpha will be calculated as alpha. From this we can calculate alpha. Sine alpha equals to 15 sine 120 degree by 21.79. Alpha will be come out as 36.6 degree. Now mind you, this is not the answer. The answer we have to give from the x-axis. So the x-axis is, this is the x-axis. Let me just rub down the question and I'll just give you the final angle at which the resultant is acting. So we have got alpha at 6.6. This is alpha, and this is 40. We have this angle plus this angle should be equal to 90. Why? Because we extend this is 90, this is 40, so this should definitely be 50. And then we can see that If we give this point A, angle A equals angle A will be equal to 50 plus alpha, 50 plus alpha, or 50 plus 36.6, which will be equal to 86.6. So we have R vector equals 21.79 kilometers, 21.79 kilo Newton, and it is acting in the direction, it is acting like this at an angle of 86.6 degrees. 86.6 degrees. So this is the final answer. So this is the final answer. So this is the final answer. So if you have gained some knowledge and learned some new things from this video, please do like, subscribe to my channel, Make Made Simple. Until next video, thank you.